Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's often talked about but rarely fully understood. Your gut microbiome. Sounds a bit sciencey, right? Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this invisible world inside you is absolutely essential for your overall health, and how you can nurture it. So, what exactly is the gut microbiome? Imagine your gut, specifically your large intestine, as a bustling city. This city is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. Collectively, they weigh about 2 to 5 pounds, and the vast majority of these residents are bacteria. We're talking about over 1,000 different species. Now, don't let the word bacteria scare you. While some bacteria can be harmful, most of the ones in your gut are incredibly beneficial. They're like tiny, super efficient workers, constantly performing vital tasks that you can't do on your own. It's an intricate ecosystem, and like any ecosystem, balance is key. So why should you care about these microscopic tenets? Well, their influence extends far beyond just digestion. Let's break down some of the most critical roles your gut microbiome plays. First, they assist your body with digestion and nutrient absorption. This is perhaps their most obvious role. While your stomach and small intestine do a lot of the heavy lifting, your gut bacteria help break down complex carbohydrates and fibers that your own enzymes can't digest. In return, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which are crucial for the health of your gut lining and can even have systemic anti-inflammatory effects. They also help synthesize certain vitamins, like vitamin K and some B vitamins. Second, they regulate your immune system. Did you know that about 70 to 80% of your immune cells reside in your gut? Your gut microbiome acts like a personal trainer for your immune system. It teaches it to differentiate between harmful invaders and harmless substances, preventing overreactions like allergies and autoimmune diseases, and ensuring it's ready to fight off actual threats. A diverse and healthy microbiome is often linked to a robust immune response. Third, they improve brain health and mood. This is where it gets really fascinating. Your gut is often called your second brain because of the intricate communication system between your gut and your brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Your gut microbes produce neurotransmitters like serotonin. Yes, about 90% of your body's serotonin, which is a key mood regulator, is produced in your gut. They can also influence anxiety, depression, cognitive function, and even neurodegenerative diseases. A happy gut often means a happy brain. Fourth, they assist weight management and metabolism. Emerging research suggests a strong link between your gut microbiome and your body weight. Certain microbial compositions have been associated with obesity, while others are found in lean individuals. Your gut bacteria can influence how many calories you absorb from food, how fat is stored, and even how sensitive you are to insulin. Fifth, they provide protection against pathogens. Your healthy gut bacteria form a protective barrier, essentially occupying all the prime real estate in your gut. This makes it harder for harmful bacteria and other pathogens to colonize and cause infections. They also produce antimicrobial compounds to keep the bad guys in check. Okay, so we know it's super important. But how do we cultivate this internal garden to ensure it's thriving? Here are some key recommendations. First, eat a diverse plant-rich diet. This is probably the most crucial advice. Your gut microbes love fiber. Think of fiber as their favorite food. The more diverse your plant intake, different fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, the wider variety of food sources you provide for different beneficial bacteria. Aim for 30 different plant foods a week if you can. Try to add one new fruit or vegetable to your shopping list each week. Second, include fermented food like kombucha, kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, and kefir in your diet. Fermented foods are natural sources of probiotics, beneficial live microorganisms that can supplement your gut's existing population. But when you're in the dairy aisle, how do you know what to grab? In the case of yogurt, the most important thing to look for on the label is live and active cultures. This tells you the yogurt contains a significant number of live bacteria that haven't been killed by heat treatment. Next, check the sugar content. Many flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugars, which can feed the less beneficial bacteria. Your best bet is to go for plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own fruit for natural sweetness and a dose of prebiotics. Look for specific strains like Lactobacillus acidophilus or Bifidobacterium for added benefits. Kefir is often sold right next to yogurt. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that is a probiotic powerhouse. It's fermented with kefir grains, which are actually a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeasts. This results in a product with a much wider variety of beneficial microbes than typical yogurt, sometimes over 60 different strains. Because of this diversity, it's an excellent choice for a healthy gut. Just like with yogurt, try to find a plain, unsweetened version to avoid the added sugars. Third, consider prebiotics and sometimes probiotics. Prebiotics are types of fiber that feed your beneficial gut bacteria. They are found naturally in foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. You can also take them as supplements. While fermented foods provide some probiotics, you can also take probiotic supplements. However, choose wisely. The effectiveness of probiotic supplements can vary greatly depending on the strains and your individual needs. It's often best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting. Focus on getting prebiotics from food first. Fourth, manage stress, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. Chronic stress can negatively impact your gut microbiome balance. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or hobbies. A lack of quality sleep can also disrupt your gut ecosystem. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep per night. In addition, regular physical activity has been shown to increase the diversity and health of your gut microbiome. Fifth, stay hydrated and limit processed foods, sugar, and artificial sweeteners. Good hydration is crucial for overall digestive health and helps keep things moving smoothly. Processed foods, sugar, and artificial sweeteners can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, often favoring less beneficial bacteria. Try to limit your intake as much as possible. Swap out sugary drinks for water. And the sixth and final tip is to be mindful of antibiotics and only use them when necessary. Antibiotics are life-saving medications, but they're indiscriminate. They kill off both bad and good bacteria. If you must take antibiotics, talk to your doctor about how to support your gut microbiome during and after treatment, perhaps with a targeted probiotic. Understanding and nurturing your gut microbiome is one of the most impactful things you can do for your long-term health. It's a journey, not a destination, so start small, be consistent, and listen to your body. What are your favorite gut-friendly foods? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, live long and live healthy.